A lot of big tech companies went to China initially to get cheap manufacturing labor.
Mm-hmm.
But then the Chinese Communist Party said, no, if you want to do business in China, you got to bring your engineers. You have to set up shop to develop products here.
And you have to show us how it is made.
You must turn over your intellectual property.
Correct.
Look, you can't make these kinds of chips without our technology. Huawei, Qualcomm just acknowledged in their own report a month or two ago, now has their own 5G chipset. They don't need a single chip from the West. How did Huawei come to develop their own chips? Well, I can tell you how. If you look at LinkedIn, you'll find engineers who worked in Qualcomm facilities in China and other places are now working at Huawei. I found an engineer just the other day who moved from Qualcomm in the exact space of our technology, radio frequency transceivers, is now at Huawei and HiSilicon, which is their semiconductor company. So, of course, our intellectual property is moving to places that we don't want it to exist. There's a story out in a Taiwanese magazine called Digitimes. I don't know if it's accurate, but it claims that Qualcomm has 5,000 R&D engineers in China.
This is cheap labor.